way headed back west. Now the sun is shining on the snow and the glaciers. Don't know which ones are glaciers and which ones are snow, but I guess if they don't melt and the ice packs on down solid, it becomes a glacier. So.
And we're getting ready to go into our tunnel.
Oh yeah. So there were 2 tunnels we came through, and here comes one. Going from east to west now, so the landscape will start to change and get back into the lush green. Oh, look at that up there. Oh, there's a waterfall coming down the mountain there. Am I going to be able to get it? It's right there. More weeping walls. It's okay. So the water just trickling down the. Look at that. Woo! Onward through our tunnel.